BMW stress-free oil change plug. Kit comes with one new plug for the top. You remove the top plug and just insert the new plug. With the special socket, you insert it and the plug won't come out. So when you remove it from the oil drain pan, it will not fall, will not drop in the pan. Safe and stress-free. The original plug takes a 5mm Allen and is very prone to stripping out or falling down when removed. This one will replace that with this plug and that socket, and then you just need a 1/4" ratchet and you can remove the plug with ease and no stress. The top plug is also over tightened a lot, or people use a ball-in Allen. Do not do that. Make sure it's torque correct and use the correct size when you remove it. For prices and availability, just email me. One more look of just how strong and safe it is.